Hello student of class 10, let's continue our chapter life process. Today we will come to know how unicellular organism like amoeba takes their nutrition. Amoeba is a unicellular organism that is found in fresh water. It feeds on microscopic organism present in water. Amoeba does not have a well developed body. It has a cell membrane and many cell vacuoles in its cytoplasm. An amoeba constantly changes its shape and its position. Amoeba moves and captures food by pushing out many finger-like extension or projection from the outer surface of their body, and that is called pseudopodia. When an amoeba senses food, it starts expanding its pseudopodia around the food particles and engulf it. The engulfed food is taken into the cell in a small cavity called food vacuole. Digestive juices are released into the food vacuole. These digestive juices break down the complex food particles into simpler substances. The simpler substances formed are absorbed by the cell and are used for its growth, maintenance, and multiplication. And the undigested food is expelled out of the cell by the vacuole. Hello student, now let's discuss an activity. In this activity we will come to know whatever air we exhale that contain carbon dioxide. To understand this activity, take some freshly prepared lime water in a test tube. Lime water, also another name is calcium hydroxide, or we can say slack lime. So first of all we have to take slack lime in a test tube. Now blow air through this lime water. Note how long it takes for the lime water to turn milky. Use a syringe or pishkari to pass air through some fresh lime water taken in another test tube. Note how long it takes for this lime water to turn milky. What does this tell us about the amount of carbon dioxide in the air that we breathe out? So student, from this activity we can understand, in lime water, if we blow air from our mouth with the help of the straw or a syringe, then we can see the test tube containing lime water turn milky. It means that the exhaled air is carbon dioxide. Because we know the property of carbon dioxide, when carbon dioxide passes through lime water, it always turns milky or makes some cloudy. So here we can see that lime water will turn milky because the blow air from our mouth contain carbon dioxide.